Let's find out what in the world is happening with the stock market this week. Trader Tim at Delta Derivatives is joining us now. Tim, the VIX is at levels we have not seen in a while this week. Should investors have some fear with this market?
Yeah, I think, Angie, the price action we're starting to see here, both the NASDAQ and the S&Ps, both basically at the lowest levels we've seen over the past year. We did see finally a spike in the VIX and VIXN over the past couple days here. So I think generally the market is probably due for a little bit of a relief rally going forward. We're getting near the end of September, which historically is the worst month for stocks, into more seasonally bullish period towards the end of the year. So I kind of like stocks a little bit here going forward. Certainly the NASDAQ names and the QQQ I like generally here, just given the fact that it did hold that long-term support.
Are you seeing any unusual options trading overall in the stock market?
Yeah, we're seeing, more on the put side over the past several weeks here, too. Last Friday saw the biggest put volume in history. So I think a lot of the big institutions and big players have put in their downside kind of, protection by buying puts here, which again, I think contrarily kind of favors a rally here going forward. So the fact that we're seeing big put volume finally come to the forefront over call volume gives me, from a contrarian perspective, a little more bullish, outlook for the next several months here. Not expecting a, move anywhere back towards the old highs, but I think a 3 to 5% move off the lows here certainly wouldn't be unwarranted.
That's you, the contrarian. You buy when people are selling. What's your trade of the day?
Yeah, trade of the day here is actually on the oil stocks, and especially XLE, which is the big oil stock ETF here. That stock has come down, held support right around 70, got to most oversold levels we've seen in the past 12 months here. So I kind of like oil and oil stocks going forward here into year end. I think the sell-off we've seen from the highs well over 100 certainly is getting a little bit overdone here. And I think normally we're entering into a seasonally bullish period for oil as well.
Thank you, Tim, for your Trader Talk.
You bet, anytime, man. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.